What's up guys, welcome to Apeh Menu YouTube channel. Help subscribe to this channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn from their YouTube. Do click on that little bell icon to be notified of the latest video. Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Olivia Rodrigo YouTube channel. According to 괘ᴏꞰ Olivia Rodrigo YouTube have uploaded 3 video. She currently have 1.9 million subscribers. After reaching 1 million subscribers, she has been awarded with the golden play button by YouTube. Currently, she has a total view of 214,469,844. That is insane. She's from US, and her channel type is music. She created her channel since July 12, 2014. The grade she got is B, and her social blade ranking is 145,111th. Subscriber ranking is 11,024th. Video view rank is 1,475,942nd. She ranked 2,943rd in US. And music rank is 1,884th. Next, the average on daily subs for Olivia Rodrigo's channel is around 11.3k. And daily view around 7,064,029. Now let's talk about how much money is she making on YouTube. And this is going to be an estimate. So, daily views she got is 7 million. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning for Olivia Rodrigo will be $28,000. Monthly income is $840,000. And yearly income will get $10,080,000. But wait, don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue of 45%. Now, $10,080,000 multiply with 0.55 will get $5,544,000. And that is how much Olivia Rodrigo earned from YouTube. I think anyone can succeed on YouTube, if they work really hard. That's what my cat said. And I agree. Period.